Hello everyone. So this is a game from this analyze of these games here and also have FIDE Women's Grand Prix 2025 Monaco. So it means I choose of this game. So it means I choose this one of this round. So it means round 5 of this one. So it means with up next round number 9. So it means today is round number 5 from this one. So it means and also have a grandmaster from this China is Tan Zhongyi versus grandmaster from India is Hampi Conero. So it means Chinese versus Indian. So it means long game without 1 hour and 30 minutes. 30 minutes in this game from this one. In today's round number 5, in this part of this video, we have study of this analyze of these chess games in this FIDE Women's Grand Prix. So white plays tan is c4 English opening, e6 Conero, knight f3, and also d5 is called English opening Angie court defense from this one. So it means with a threat by c4 from this one, and also g3. So it means main line there is still is d3. So it means d3 are without defense, without without continuation by development from this one. So it means tan move from this one is g3 from this move by g3 here, and also knight f6. So it means still continuation from this Conero from this one. So it means developed by continuations by situations, and also bishop g2. So it means bishop g2, upcoming castle kingside here. So it means ready from this castle. And also bishop e7, upcoming castle here without coming. And also castle kingside, and also b3. So it means, so it means if you capture this one, so it means if you capture this pawn, or maybe here is pawn takes captured. So it means developments from this one, you need to attack from these pawns here from this one. So b3 are moved by tan, and also push d4. So it means, why don't we capture this one? D takes c4, and also pawn takes c4. So it means develops here from this one without move by solutions here from these developments here. So back there is d4 by pushes by Conero, and also e3. So it means e3 develops here without capture of this attacking these pawns, and also c5 without defense by d4. So it means defense from this protects by pawns, and also knight e5 enterings by tan. So it means with idea by strongest move here from this one, and also queen c7. So it means queen c7 by Conero without threat by attack by knights here. So maybe without threat by knights, so it means attacking this one, and also f4 defense by knights here. So it means what I think by Grandmaster Tan without defense by knights in this pawn, and also knight f d7. So it means ready from this capture by knights here, or maybe without threat by knight. So it means knight, or maybe queens without attacking this one. So it means develops here, and also pawn takes d4, c takes d4, and also knight d3. So it means knight d3. So it means avoided. So why don't we capture this knight takes knight takes d7. Knight takes d7 by captured here, or maybe here is, so it means move. Oh, so it means, and also queen takes d7, or maybe queen takes d7 here by develops here by Conero. So it means we need to capture this one, or maybe here is bishop takes knight. Simple is that develops here, or maybe examples what. So it means, so what we captured from this attacking this one. So back there is backwards knight d3, and also knight c6. So it means knight c6 with the idea with a focusing or moving by here. I don't know what is this one. So it means knight c6 here from this one. So it means focusing develops here, and also bishop a3. What a nice move by Tan. So it means develops here, or maybe without attacking by bishop, or maybe here without pin, without rook, or maybe or maybe threat. So it means threat by rook. So it means attacking this develops here. So what a great master of this chess here from this one. And also knight b6. So it means knight b6 here from this develops by Hampi Conero here. And also queen e2. And also rook d8, rook c1. So it means rook c1, or maybe without move by here by c5. So it means without threat by knights here, or maybe threat here. And also a5. So it means a5 here, or maybe with idea here by pushes by a4. So it means without push. So it means cannot move here by this one. And also bishop b2. So it means bishop b2 are still novelty by Tan of this game from this one. So it means the old main line here is good novelty is capture this bishop takes e7. So it means without develops, or maybe with a threat by here by rook, or maybe threat by rooks here. Or maybe if you capture this, so it means before we queen captured by bishop here. So it means good novelty from this one. So back novelty is bishop b2 and also knight d7. Good move by Cunero. So it means without focusing here, or maybe with idea from this one, with idea of knight c5. So it means knight c5 here. So it means to develop by focusing move by GM Cunero here from this one. And also knight a3, knight c5. So it means what a great decisions by Hampi Conero. So it means with idea, with attack by knights, or maybe knights attacks here from this one. And also knight b5. So it means knight b5, or maybe with a threat by queen, with a threat, with attacking by queen by Conero. So it means with idea move by knights by Tan. And also queen b6, knight takes c5. So it means knight takes c5 here. And also bishop takes knight d3. So it means d3. What a good decisions by Tans here. And also bishop d7. So it means without pin, or maybe with a pin by knights here with idea, or maybe here by move here by, or also that with a move by knight b4. So it means knight b4, or maybe here by backwards here, or maybe develops here from this one. And also a4. So it means a4 by defense by knights, but still bad move by Tan. So it means does not want computer. So the one's computer best moves is a3 only. So it means a3 here, or maybe continuations by solutions by Tans here. So back here is a4, and also knight e7. So it means knight e7 here, and also g4. Oh my god. So it means g4 by Tan, or maybe with a move by here by f5. I don't know. So it's still by f4 here from this one. And also bishop c6. So it means bishop to bishop here from this one. And also rook f1. Oh, what a good solutions by Tan. So it means without here, with a move by here by f4, f5, sorry. I'm sorry, I forgot something in my brain. So it means f5 here. So it means f5 by move here. And also rook a8. And also queen f2. So it means queen f2. So still without queen, or maybe double by rook and queen. So it means develops here. And also rook a d8. So it means code by 8th rank by Hampi Conero here. And also rook a e1. So it means rook a e1 by Tan still first rank. Oh my god, still another first rank here from this one. And also knight g6. f5 pushes. What a good decisions by Tan. So maybe with a threat, or maybe threat by knights here, or still without continuations here by this one. And also, another good move is pawn takes f5. What a good move by Hampi Conero. And also pawn takes, that means another bad move by Tan. Maybe so the best moves is capture this rook, or maybe here is rook takes captured, or maybe with a continue is g takes f5 with still threat by, or maybe with a threat here from this knights here from this one, or maybe continue is knight fa. Still Still decisions here by this one. What are good examples here? So back there is capture this pawn and also knight e5. So it means knight e5, what a good decisions, or maybe with a, oh my god, still higher evaluations bar by black pieces here. And also f6. Oh my god, what a push by Tan. So it means with the develops here. And also knight g4, another bad move by Koneru. So the best moves there is G6. So it means what the strongest move. See the evaluation bar, or maybe with a higher strongest move by Hampi Conero. So still we need to G6 move by best moves here from this one. So back there is knight G4, and also good move is rook takes captured, bishop takes, oh my god, bishop takes E8, another bad move again. What happened this one? Question mark. Oh, what happened this one? So the best moves there is rook takes captured. Or maybe with a here, or maybe move by still continuations here. Or maybe here is queen. Queen f4. Oh, queen f4 here. Or maybe with a threat, or still threat by here. So it means what idea? Or maybe continuations here by this one from this development. So bishop takes rooks here, and also queen g3. So it means queen g3, or maybe with a good decisions here by queen g3 here, and also knight takes pawn, bishop c1. So it's still bishop c1 here, or maybe with a move here by bishop h6. So it means bishop h6, or maybe with a threat. Oh my god, with a threat, or still with a threat by mating neck. Oh, what a danger by blacks here from this one. Or maybe continuations here by development. And also bishop e7, queen e5, and also king f8, bishop f4, bishop c6. So it means bishop to bishop, or maybe with a bishop to bishops here from this one. And also rook e1, another bad move by Tan again. Oh my god. So it means rook e1, so it means with a double here, or maybe with a queen, or maybe with a threat by here by bishop. So it means without double, with a rook and this queen. So it means with a threat by bishop. And the problem is rook e1 is still bad move, so it means another bad move again. So still another bad move. So the best moves there is queen c7, queen to queen. Still queen to queens here. If you capture this, queen takes here, or maybe with a bishop takes here. Bishop takes c7 with a threat by rook, or maybe you still with a captured. So it means attacking this threat by rooks here, or maybe rook here, rook e8. So still good examples here from this one. So back there is rook e1, and also queen c5, blundericious by GM Conero. Oh my god, what happened this one? So it means blundericious. So it means blundericious from this one. So the best moves there is knight g8 with a defense by bishop. So still defense here from this one, or maybe continuations here from this one here. So back there is queen c5. So it means after that, so with idea, with the first puzzle, find great move by GM Tan. So it means what happened to this one from this nice shot by GM Tan zone from this find great move. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone is queen takes queen. Good move by Tan. So it means what a great move by GM Tan. And also bishop takes queen, and also another good move is bishop c7. Another good move by Tan. With a threat by rooks here. So it means with a threat by rook here from this one. and also rook a8. And another good move again is rook e5. So it means another good move with still with a threat by bishop. Oh my god, with a threat, or maybe with a capture this one without attacking this bishop. And also another good move is bishop b4. Good move by Hampi Conero here. And also rook f5, and also knight d7, and also knight d6. So it means develops here by GM Tans here. And also bishop takes g2, king takes bishop, and also another good move again is knight c5. So it means another good move by Conero here from this one. And also rook takes f7. Oh, wait for a moment, huh? So it means rook, I mean knight c5. Wait for a moment. Oh, so it means wait, huh? Oh, if you move here, so it means rook, rook, rook f5. So it means rook f5, or maybe here it still is knight d7. Oh, but still knight d7 here. Oh, still knight d7. So it means knight c5 here, and also rook takes f7. Oh, but I still I don't know my brains here from this one. So it means rook takes f7 check here from this one. Still continuations here. So it means good decisions by GM then. I'm sorry I got thinking wrong my focus here from this one. And also king g8, rook f3, and also knight takes b3, knight takes b7. So it means how many pawns here? Or maybe 4 pawns, or maybe four, same four pawns here from this one. And also rook a7, threat by knights, or maybe with a threat by knights, or still here by bishop. Oh my god, still threat here. And also bishop d6, good move by Tan. And also bishop takes, knight takes bishop, and also knight c5, knight b5, threat by rook, and also rook d7, rook f4, knight takes d3, or still with a threat by rook, or maybe with a threat here by rooks here. And also rook takes captured, rook takes, knight takes, and also knight b2. So it means without threat by c4, or maybe a4. Still a4 by double by pawns. And also c5, knight takes a4, knight b3. So it means defense by c5. And also king f7, king f3, king e6, king e4. Oh my god, still running faster. Still running here by king from this one. And also knight c3 check, king d3 good move, knight b5. Oh, knight b5 here. And also knight takes a5, king d5, with a threat by here by c5. And also push c6, king c5. Oh my god, king c5 here. And also king e4, king b6, knight c4 check, and also king takes captured. Oh my god. So how many pawns here? 2 pawns by Conero and 1 pawn only by Tan. Oh my god, still without +1 by GM Conero here. And also king e5, king d7, and also h4. And also king e7, h5, and also king f7. Oh my god, without move. So it means without move here by kings by Tans here. And also knight d2, knight a7, knight e4, knight c6 check, and also king d6 threat by knights, knight d4. And also king e5, knight c6 check, and also king d6, knight b4, king e5, and also knight d3 check, king f5, and also king e7, knight g5. So it means knight g5 without threat by h7. Oh my god, still with the threats here. And also g6 check, and also capture this one. So it means after this one, so it means draw by round number 5. So why same by draw if you capture this one, or maybe here, and also knight takes g6. Don't steal fatal here from this one. So how many scores by accuracy? So it means same by 94.4. So it means same by tie again by Humpy and Tan. So it means congratulations both of them. So I hope that this part of this game. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17. Have a good day and keep safe and adios. Bye bye.